Hey there Roblox fans, if you're looking to add an extra layer of excitement to your gaming experience by enabling voice chat, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how simple it is to get voice chat up and running on Roblox. Now let's dive right in. Now for step 1, we need to access our settings. To begin, head over to the Roblox homepage. Once you're there, click on the settings option, which is where you'll configure your account preferences. Then let's go to settings right here. Step 2 is age verification. Within this settings menu, make sure to verify your age. Age verification is important for certain features including voice chat. Simply follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. And then once you're done, you can go to step 3, which is enabling voice chat. Once your age is verified, navigate to the privacy section within your settings. Now we can go to the privacy section and scroll down. Here you'll find the option to enable voice chat. Simply toggle this setting to turn it on. Here, let's turn it on, click enable. And there you have it. By following these 3 simple steps, you'll have the voice chat enabled on your Roblox account. Now you can connect with fellow players, strategize, and communicate more effectively in your favorite games. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Roblox tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell to stay updated and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Now, go ahead and enjoy a more immersive gaming experience with voice chat on Roblox.